What are my USERRA reemployment rights? Imagine coming back from military service and finding your job waiting for you exactly as you left it. That's what USERRA is all about. It protects your right to return to your civilian job after serving in the military. If you leave your job to serve, you have the right to be reemployed in the same position you would have held if you had not gone away for military duty. This means you get the same pay, benefits, and seniority you would have earned if you stayed working. To qualify, your absence must be due to service in the U.S. Armed Forces. You need to give your employer notice about your military service, either verbally or in writing, before you leave. Your total military time with the same employer should generally not be more than 5 years, but there are exceptions for certain types of service like longer initial enlistments or reserve training. When your military service ends, you must return to work within specific timeframes. If your service lasts 30 days or less, you should report back by the start of your next scheduled work period after travel and rest. For service between 31 and 180 days, you have 14 days to apply for reemployment. If your service exceeds 180 days, you have up to 90 days to return to work. If you're recovering from a service-related injury or illness, these deadlines can be extended up to 2 years. Your military discharge must be under honorable conditions. If you are dishonorably discharged or discharged under other than honorable conditions, you might lose your reemployment rights. Once back, you are entitled to the same seniority, benefits, and rights you would have gained if you had not been away. This includes pay increases, promotions, and accrued leave. Employers are not required to reemploy you if your position no longer exists due to unrelated layoffs, or if reemployment would cause undue hardship. They also cannot discriminate against you because of your military service. If your employer takes adverse action like firing or demotion because of your military duty, it could violate USERRA. From a worker's point of view, it's important to notify your employer as soon as possible about your military service. Keep records like military orders and discharge papers to verify your service. Make sure to apply for reemployment within the proper timeframes. Knowing your rights helps ensure you get back to your job and benefits without issues. Employers should also understand their responsibilities under USERRA. They need to approve military leave requests, provide training to supervisors on these laws, and avoid discrimination. They should also offer reasonable accommodations for disabilities related to military service. If you're returning from military duty, be proactive. Notify your employer early, keep your documentation handy, and apply for reemployment on time. Your rights are there to protect you and make sure your service doesn't cost you your job or benefits.